Welcome to our channel. Today I really hope to show you exactly how to clean the internal buzzer speaker, which is the primary sound speaker found in the Motorola G14 smartphone. This process will help ensure your audio remains clear and loud. We need a square brush with longer flexible bristles. As you can see here, the bristles need to be soft or medium hard so they don't scratch the phone. We need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol to simply soften the dirt. This dirt comes off easily and then the alcohol just evaporates, leaving no trace behind. You can buy such a set on Allegro or Amazon, so if you don't have one, you can just get it yourself. And if you can't even find a set like this, you can just buy a regular toothbrush, as long as it's soft or medium hard, and use it instead of the professional brush. The phone must be completely disconnected from power. Disconnected from power using the power button. We need to moisten the brush with isopropanol. If you don't have a diffuser like this, you can always use some kind of small container. Take the phone sideways, and these 3 holes are the buzzer, and you just need to clean them. Don't just clean it in any old way. Instead, you really need to carefully press it a few times in one specific direction, so that all of the trapped dirt actually comes out completely. Because if you try to go back and forth at the same time, it won't do anything and the dirt won't come out. So clean in one direction on that side first, then do the same in one direction on the other side. This will make sure the phone is clean, the buzzer will work without any issues, and your phone will ring much louder. Once we've done it to the right about 5 times, or actually about 50 times, now we can also gently move it sideways back and forth a few times. Do this a total of 5 times to one side, and then another 5 times to the other side, so that every bit of dirt and debris finally comes out of the buzzer. Set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and after that time you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.